Welcome to Cole's World of Mathematics, where math is made simple and clear.
We're going to do a couple problems here, basically where we just need to simplify these. They're really nice computation type of problems. This one uses radicals. This one deals with a complex fraction and some laws of exponents there. So just some nice little review of some skills here that will help you to simplify algebraic expressions here. All right, so first off, I'm going to work on the inside here, and I'm going to turn radical form into exponential form. So I'll still have the great big radical. I'm going to write that as a 10 raised to the 50 over 5. I'm going to leave that denominator as 10 to the 4th. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and simplify there. 10 over 5 is going to be a 10, so I'm going to have a square root of a 10 raised to the 10th power and a 10 raised to the 4th power. All right, now here's some laws of exponents. When dividing like bases, we can subtract those exponents. So then we can get down to a square root of 10 to the 6th. All right, and then that simplifies real easily because it's a perfect square root. That'll just be a 10 to the 3rd. All right, easiest way to remember that is this is a square root. There's a 2 right there. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so perfect square. All right, shortcut, easy way to get there. All right, now this one over here, probably what I would do is turn this into a fraction, all right, because we can take a base with a negative exponent, move it to the bottom, and make it positive. So I would make that a 1/6. I'll go ahead and subtract in here, so 2/3 minus a half. You can pause if you need to do that by hand, or you can use your calculator there. It's a times right there, so we'll have times another 1/6. When I take 2/3 minus 1/2, I get 1/6. All right, on the bottom, I'm just going to use laws of exponents there, square the top, square the bottom. That's going to give me 1 over 144. All right, going ahead and multiplying there on top, I'm going to have a 1 over a 36 divided by a 1 over 144. So complex rational expression. Lots of different ways you could do that. You could multiply through by the least common denominator, or you can also think of it as a fraction divided by a fraction. So if we wrote it out so that we saw it and it looked like that, that'd be a 1 over 36 divided by a 1 over 144. And then how do we divide fractions? Well, we keep it, switch it, and flip it. That's kind of a little saying that helps people remember how to work with their fractions. So 1 over 36 we're going to keep. We're going to switch the divide sign to a time sign. We're going to take the reciprocal or flip the second fraction, 144 over 1, and then 144 over 36. Divide that out, and it's going to be a nice 4. All right, so just some arithmetic type problems here, some with radicals, lots of exponents, little fraction work over here. So just throwing it out there for basic practice for anybody that is in a class that's needing to do some of these a little bit more intense expressions. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, be sure and share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.